This Premier Realty Grays Harbor property video is presented by Karen Spangler. Take a peek at this fantastic double lot in Satsop. This charming home has two wonderful lots with a potting shed, pump house, and shop. Inside the home is a built-in office area off of the laundry room, remodeled bathroom, and cozy living area. Attic is fully finished with OSB. Front of the home has a charming koi pond. Large deck to the side of the home is fully enclosed for a dog run. Around the back of the home you will be able to garden and get your starts going early in a generous potting shed. The detached garage is outfitted to have your perfect retreat. The garage stores pellets for the stove, a pool table, and bar create the perfect game day area. Connect the pellet stove and you'll be all set. For more information, review the details below or contact Karen Spangler at 360-533-1900.